Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in a single measurable goal and an irresistible offer. Once done, map 1 to 3 audience segments and their primary pain points. Make sure to choose the shortest path to value, a free guide or low-cost trial, and set up a single landing page and thank you flow. You should also prepare a basic 3-step email sequence and install tracking, pixel, analytics. Now launch a small paid test to get the first real conversion signals. Once you have initial traffic and leads, expand with content mapped to the funnel, awareness posts, consideration guides, and short product demos. You should tag leads by behavior and assign them to 1-3 interest segments so messaging stays relevant. Make sure to build automated nurture sequences that change based on opens and clicks and configure retargeting audiences for engaged users. While doing this, measure conversion rates at each step so you can prioritize the weakest links for iteration. You finish by tightening the conversion path. Simplify the checkout, make CTAs explicit, and test pricing or incentives. Once conversions stabilize, scale winning adds incrementally and clone audiences that perform. Make sure to keep monitoring CAC and LTV so scaling stays profitable. If things go wrong, low conversions or disappearing events, first verify tracking, then run a /B tests on offer and UX, and finally, re-examine audience fit. This troubleshooting order prevents wasted spend and restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.